Hey guys, what's up today? And I am gonna be joining Random Gamer, and we are gonna be finishing the tornado house. We've got every room but his done, and his is freaking huge. Oh yeah, it's raining. Should we go to sleep? I hear a bat. Probably. Whoop. Where is that? Oh, there can't be a bat in my room. No. I don't know. Yeah. What do I have to do? Just add light?
Yeah. Then you have to try to kill him. It's one hit with the diamond sword, I think. Should be one hit with the diamond sword. You guys are gonna pause it, we'll be right back.
Yeah, it is. Yep, pause it and I'll be right back. Hey guys, and we're back. Had a very heavy lunch. Whew.
And I'm back. We had a good lunch. That's why we left.
That's why we were gone so long. We were making pigs of ourselves. You had to with that kind of lunch.
Nuggets. And no, not from McDonald's.
I wish.
Yeah, it was so much better. But they were good. That's all I can say. I added bread. I'm just walking here because that's how much I ate because it was so good. Are you killing your bats?
They're gone. No more bat problem. Wow, you got almost all the way done.
Yeah, I've been working.
I mean, we almost got this part done. We still gotta go up.
Yeah.
How far up are we going?
10.
10? Oh, this is gonna be bad.
You guys can come up here anytime you want.
Yeah.
If you're getting like claustrophobic, like say if Claus comes in your home.
Dude, whenever we fell off the side. Whenever we finish all of this, I kind of want to just go down and see what this looks like before I build up the wall. Just kind of like stand on there once we get all the floor done.
Okay, I'm gonna start on these corners right
here. Yeah.
It looks epic already.
Mm-hmm.
Easiest way to do corners is like this.
Dodo bird. This is just gonna be massive. And we had this idea way back before, like,
YouTube days.
we had this years back before YouTube did. We had this way back. I mean, we had this back before we even thought of having or doing YouTube.
Yeah.
We probably did it back. What's the update now? 1.15 or?
Yeah.
We probably did it.
1.0.8.
Yeah.
0.08.
Yeah, we probably did it back then or so. We did it way back. We go way back. We've made We actually haven't finished one completely. You know that, Sheldon?
Huh?
We haven't actually finished one completely.
Yeah, we haven't. We've never finished one.
We got one to about here, and then we had to leave, and then Sheldon accidentally deleted it. And then the other one, we just tried to start it, but couldn't finish it. And that was the YouTube days, but that was back whenever Sheldon started live streaming.
Yeah.
It was like your second live stream or something, but couldn't get that one done either, so it's going to be the time we finish it.
Because I'm here for a week with my cousins. So, yeah.
We can finish it.
We can probably finish it. If we had a third person, it'd be so much easier.
Yeah, Aiden. But nobody really cares about him. He doesn't do YouTube that much. What? He goes, because like he's like, I can't wait to be a YouTuber. I'm like, you gotta start making videos then, bud. But he doesn't want to because he doesn't want to edit. Doesn't want to do any of that.
I'm the one that edits almost all of the videos.
Yeah. I think editing's kind of fun.
Yeah, editing, you get to do whatever you want. So how's the floor coming?
Okay.
I'm almost done over here.
Then that should be everywhere so we can start building up.
Yeah, but first we're going to have to go down. Look at it.
Yeah.
I think everything's done. Oh, wait, right here. Okay, I'm going to have you stop on that and help me real quick with this so I can just see what it looks like.
With what? Where?
Over here. Right.
All this?
Yeah. You start from that end.
Oh, jeez. Ah, you're gonna box me in.
I hear birds. I'm not bad. Minecraft did have birds, but they did not make it into the final.
Yeah. They were going to, but didn't make it. Didn't make it in this cruel Minecraft world. Ah!
I just had to do that. We done?
Almost. Let's go.
Let's go check it out. Whoa.
Oh, dude. This is gonna be sick. I can't believe.
How long it would take to do 10 layers of this?
Ugh.
We probably couldn't even get that done in a week.
Even if we worked on it for like 2 hours a day.
More than that.
There, that's 10.
I'm gonna do the floor. You start on the walls. You're fast at doing walls. He's the wall builder. I'm the redstone guy.
I'm the builder. You're the redstone guy. If I need something in my build that has to go with redstone, I call you up.
With lights, because I can do lights.
Lights and redstone, I call you up.
Oh, mine lagged. I'm lagging.
You're kind of frozen.
Huh?
You look like you're frozen.
Let me see.
To me, you are. You're just standing there. Like you weren't moving at all.
Wait, am I done?
No, you just froze.
I'm still frozen on my screen.
See me going into you.
I froze all the way. Yeah.
I'm gonna finish the frame of the walls. Then I think I'm gonna end it and then just come back whenever we finish it.
Hey, hold on, don't end it yet. Well, ugh. Mine lagged and it's not working. So, yeah, I'm AFK for a little bit.
You can just go and disconnect and come back on.
I can't.
Why?
My screen is totally frozen. Look.
Oh, it's glitching. It just turned back on, but it glitched. Did you see that glitch?
No, I didn't.
Whoa, what happened?
I don't know.
My blocks disappeared. Coming back on.
Yeah. If it'll load. And it froze again.
Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end here, and then I am gonna come back whenever we're finished and get this lag finished. See